What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Going down to Manhattan one more time. This time we're going through the Holland Tunnel. Somebody asked if I could put the 360 camera on the I-478 north, outside of the car. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do this time. Top left corner, I have the 360 camera up here. We are now in the tunnel. Get a little tunnel view really quick. And actually, let me actually turn on the 360 camera as well. Get a little inside view of what's going on in here. Once again, this is the Holland Tunnel. It's gonna drop us off on the, I think, the West Side Highway. And we'll take the West Side Highway up. I'll give you guys 360 shots of the buildings, because there should be some really nice tall buildings over there. Then we'll go down 34th Street, hopefully, and maybe we'll pass by MSG, Madison Square Garden, where the Knicks play. That's the plan at least, but you never know what's actually happening down there. Maybe they blocked off the street, you know. It's a busy area, so we'll see. All right, welcome to the West Side Highway, and it starts off with massive buildings, as you can see up ahead. Already got that 360 camera rolling for you guys so you can take a look at everything. And I'll take my time panning around to the buildings just so you can get a nice glance at everything that's around. Lots of cool things happen over here, events and things like that. Further up, you'll see the piers, and the piers, we might actually see a cruise ship as well, so we'll look out for that when we go further up. But the piers, they have like event spaces inside of the piers. So I've been to like a sneaker con at one of the piers before, huge event space. To the left, you can see one of the parks that they have built here. They have a bunch of nice parks that you can come to sitting over here, and they have like a basketball court, a tennis court, or a handball court, I should say. Apartments over here. I do not even want to know the price of those apartments. See the water a little bit to the left. I believe that's the Hudson River. To the left, you can see I forgot what they call the floating islands or something like that. One of the newer things that they built out here. By new, I mean still years old, but yeah, very interesting looking pods that you can walk to. And then here to the left as well are the piers that you can throw events at, or have events at. So now that we've seen a good amount of the West Side Highway, and it goes up for a lot further, let's teleport over to 34th Street and see if we can get down there, really show you guys a little bit of the chaotic side of New York and driving in Midtown. Just turned on the 34th. These are those same apartments that we were just looking at a second ago. So all of these actually used to be 2 lanes, and then they started making them bus only lanes for the right lanes, which does help out because, man, it used to be hard for buses to come down these type of streets. Super hard, especially when it's like rush hour traffic coming down here. The traffic is like terrible. So right now it's actually not too bad. We're moving along at a nice pace. Once again, this is the Macy's. You got a subway over there. It's our transit. You can see the street vendors on the side, selling knockoffs and all sorts of lovely things. That biker could have waited. He did not have to try to squeeze through all those people. Nice S2000 right there. And that really tall building that we've been looking at for a while is the Empire State Building. So we'll pass through that and then go a little further down and then call it quits. To the right, like I said before, the Empire State Building. for a few minutes, and then like I said, I'll end the video after that. This will lead us actually to Union Square, and you guys already seen pretty much just below Union Square. The last New York City video I did, I went to 8th Street to pick up something, and Union Square is on 14th Street, so you guys kind of already know what that part looks like. And then I'll end you guys off with Union Square Park right here. In the last video, if you saw that far, I mentioned that we used to hang out on Union Square and then walk down to Soho, and it's the park we used to hang out at. Straight down to Soho, straight down this block right here. Good times and memories. But hey, thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you enjoyed that peaceful drive down the West Side Highway, Midtown Manhattan, down to Union Square. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Next video after this is probably definitely going to be the road trip cross country video, so stay tuned for that. Let's see what we get into on that video. Peace.